All right, so after driving it for a bit, this was found to be 4 turns out. So now it's adjusted at 3, or I'm sorry, 3 is for diesel. I actually have it at 2.5 right now. So I just reused the filter. It's still good, and just cleaned it up with the new valve bodies in there. So I'm going to check the other band. Although it did feel fine. So yeah, it's fine. And that has a 3/8 in it, I think. Yeah, that has a 3/8 in it lever. And this has a heavy-duty diesel servo in it. So that's why I put it at 2.5. Just give it a little more slack. It does engage fine, so I ain't too worried about it. Yeah, let's go test drive it after this, huh?